Ladies and gentlemen, good morning to everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, our topic today is about the successful is individual. So guys, there are three things guys. Number one, I can do. Number two, I can do it. Number two, do it. So guys, our success guys, no one can work except you guys. That's why the success is individual. So guys, what I can do of your plan? So what I can do, how achieving my plan, how to achieve your plan guys. So no one can work of your plan guys except you guys, not your friends, not your family, not your relatives, not your upline.